Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you about Lenovo K5 Pro. In this video, I am gonna also tell you the retail price of Lenovo K5 Pro and upcoming price and also expected price of Lenovo K5 Pro and the official warranty given by the company, yes or not. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get start the video. Now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Lenovo K5 Pro. Here we have built-in quantity of OS Android V8.1 Oreo UI ZUI 5.0 dimension 155.98 into 74.98 into 7.98 mm weight 165 gram SIM dual strand by nano SIM color black gold. Here we have in frequency of 2G band SIM 1 GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900 SIM 2 GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900, and they also support 3G and 4G band. Here we have in processor of CPU 1.8 GHz octa-core Creo 260, chipset Qualcomm SDM636, Snapdragon 636 14 nanometer, GPU Adreno 509. Here we have in display of technology IPS LCD, capacitive touchscreen, 16mm color multi-touch, size 6.0 inches, resolution 1080 into 2160 pixel, 403 ppi. Here we have in memory built-in 64 GB, built-in 4 GB RAM, or 64 by 128 GB, built-in 6 GB RAM. Card micro SD card, support up to 256 GB dedicated slot. Here we have in camera main dual 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel depth sensor, dual LD dual tune flash. Features: geotagging, touch focus, fade detection, SDR, panorama video. Front 16 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and also depth sensor. Here we have in connectivity WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 A slash B slash G slash N slash Wi-Fi track hotspot Bluetooth B 4.2 with A2DP LE GPS yes plus a GPS port. Radio FM radio USB 2.0 Type C 1.0 reversible connector. Data GPRS 3G HSPA 4G LTE. Here we have in features sensor, compass fingerprint proximity, audio 3.5 mm, audio jack, MP4, flag player speakerphone, browser HTML5, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, pushmail, IM, games built-in plus downloadable, torch, yes, extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, photo by video editor, document viewer. Here we have in battery of capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 4550 mAh, fast battery charging, 2 ampere by 9 volt, 18 volt. Here we have in price will be coming soon, so I hope you can like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.